Hello there, I'm Tawny and I will be doing a PowerPoint presentation today on the heart and the heart's diseases known as coronary artery disease. The heart and the way it functions, one of the most important organs in our body is actually the heart. It is the engine of our body. It's made of muscle and it keeps the blood pumping through our veins. The heart has 4 different chambers. The top 2 chambers are the right and left atrium. The 2 bottom chambers include the right and the left ventricles. The superior and inferior vena cava carry the deoxygenated blood through the right atrium of the heart. The blood then flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Now once the valve senses the ventricle is full, it closes. The blood is pushed through the pulmonary valve to the artery to be oxygenated. Once the blood has been oxygenated, it is carried through the pulmonary veins to the left atrium. The left atrium pushes the oxygenated blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. Once the mitral valve senses the ventricle is full, it closes. The oxygenated blood then passes through the aortic valve to be passed through the body. And this is a continuous cycle that keeps refilling, oxygenating, and distilling the blood to our body to maintain a healthy function. Now, one of the most common heart diseases is coronary artery disease. And coronary artery disease is when the arteries are unable to get enough oxygenated blood to the heart. It's basically a buildup of a waxy substance called plaque in the large coronary arteries, and it blocks the blood from flowing to the heart, which in turn makes the heart work way too hard and eventually lead to heart failure or a heart attack. And some of the symptoms for this heart disease include heart attack, arrhythmia, heart failure. Heart attack symptoms can include shortness of breath, dizziness, upper body discomfort, fatigue, nausea and vomiting, heartburn, indigestion, back or neck pain, and some chest pain. Arrhythmia of the heart can be felt as fluttering in your chest or heart palpitations. Signs of heart failure include swelling in your feet, legs, ankles, abdomen, neck, and veins, as well as fatigue and shortness of breath. Now, what causes coronary artery disease? Well, aside from it being hereditary, which it can most definitely be hereditary, one can develop this disease having diabetes, being overweight or obese, having a very unhealthy food diet, little to no physical activity, and the drinking of excessive alcohol. Is there a cure for this disease? Unfortunately, there is not a cure for this disease. However, anyone suffering from this disease will have a few options for treatment. The first one includes some pretty extreme lifestyle changes, such as quitting smoking, starting an exercise routine. One would need to lose excessive weight if they're overweight. You would need to change the way you're eating. You would need to change to a healthy eating habit. Different ways to reduce stress could also help and prevent any worse symptoms. The second option for treatment could be any prescribed medications like the ones that you see here from your doctor. And I would like to thank everybody for watching my PowerPoint presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.